So a Bitcoin Sunday weekly update, no? So from yesterday we talked about Bitcoin being in a stuck in a range, so it's now established 48,000 to 51,300. Yeah, somewhere there. Huh. So that's how the low timer is looking. We can see here that we did try to set in a higher low at the 618 level, so 49,000. I was saying that I want 49K to hold yesterday, and it did. Um, so yeah. So short term, intra hourly, we are in the downtrend. As you can see right here, we're trying to set in a higher low, zero point 0.5 Fibonacci, maybe forming an ascending triangle. No, it is still to note that this is also a lower highs in the making. But if this fails, which means that it's going it can easily be averted now. So yeah, tsaka na natin lagay yan. All we know is that we are in a low time frame downtrend. So what can I say here? So obviously 51,300 resistance. If that breaks, I'll be looking for retracements on one of these Fibonacci's. Yeah. So the 382 is at 54,300. And then we also have resistance at 56,000. What if I use this as a daily close? Wait lang. Gagawin ko yung range, no? Yeah, 50K. Yeah, 55,000. Where's... Well, either way, I'll be looking for Aritas 54. Basically, back to the daily 55 at 54,500 to 55 to 56,000. Yun yung first resistance area ko. If that level breaks to the upside, yeah, the 4-hour 200. I'll be looking for a gap fill towards 60K. Now, on the downside, if 48,000 level does not hold, um, in fact, we're already inside the daily cloud now. I'll be looking for this to go to 44,500 to 45,000. High 44K to low 45. So there's a possibility that it does not hold because a lot of people are trying to put a bid on it. Maraming nagbibid doon. So I think it is possible to go down to the low side of the cloud, 39,500 to $40,000. No, maybe even week as low as 38K. So yeah, I think that's it for now. Let's try to check out Ethereum. So also looking a bit weak. I do have my chart here, which is saying that potential head and shoulder is in the making. We do have a descending triangle on the lows here as well. 2,130 must hold on the 4-hour time frame in the low. Yeah, everything is on this. So the 4-hour 200 simple is there. EMA pala, hindi simple. So very easy to manage the risk there, no? If there's a if 2,160 does not hold, I will be looking for a further quick downside move to 1940. Short-term time frame bounce there maybe. Uh, Essentially continuation up to 1700s, up 1600s to 1700, which is for me is a big buy opportunity, no? Yeah, the weekly 21 is right there, but the daily cloud is right there as well. between the top of the cloud and the daily 144 EMA is where I am looking at. I mean, it could weak down, of course, but yeah, just monitor risk accordingly. And then to the upside, our resistance is just we just need to break 2,280. If we do that, I'll be looking for a quick move to 2,400. And if we do break 2,400, then we can talk again about new all-time highs in Ethereum, and that would change the picture very much. No? So what else are the coins on my list? Uh, let's check out this BNB. Same thing as Ethereum, trying to hold its higher lows on the daily 21. Looks a bit stronger than Ethereum, maybe. Um, but it's also in the downtrend on the hourly, so there's that. Big resistance at 530 region, major support at 467. If that's that, if hindi na going for 67, I'll be looking for a quick move to 430. And I think continuation below. I do not have a target here anymore, but probably somewhere around on the 340 level, or maybe even to 290 to 340 level yung next support ni Binance coin. Cardano, so we're still holding the daily cloud. This is one of the better, stronger coins. Trying to hold the 4R 10K as well. 4R debt cross is not yet being played out. At least, um, if it does play out, I'll be looking for a move down $1 and maybe even lower. You know, but right now it looks like it's making a fake out. Um, so yeah, it looks like Cardano is making a fake out. You know? I might trade this. However, the whole market doesn't look strong as well. So maybe I'll hold it off. But above 1 point, well, let's just say above 1.2 dollars, and I'll be looking for a retest of 1.3. And if 1.3 levels get broken, I'll be considering this as a big shakeout, and it is going to new all-time highs. But until then, pressure is on the downside, even though it's one of the stronger ones. So cake granting out the resistance, trying to ayaw niya sumabay sa market, no? Kasi sobrang dugo ng market natin yan. Um, as long as above $25.75, it's fine on the 4 hour. If not, I'll just get out of it because I don't want to go against the market. Do we have triple bearish divergence? Yeah, we do, potentially. So the setup is there then, no? If Bitcoin decides to fail, that's why 25.75 must hold at least on the 2 hour as well. Yeah, on the 2 hour. Another coin that is trying to fight the market is Solana, no? So, okay itong mga coins na hold ko. However, it's just the whole market environment is very weak. Weak talaga siya. Um, so, what can you see here? Solana. Must hold $40, or if it breaks $40 on the short term time frames in the 1 hour, I'm looking for a downside move towards 37.5. And if it fails to make a higher low there, then I think the run is over for this. It seems pretty crazy. But we need to wait for higher time frame closures because the weekly close is very good. So what can we do say here again as well? Polka dots. DeFi market is really, really big right now. Um, this one has price action for our debt cross at the lows. I wouldn't uh, I wouldn't mind wait lang. I wouldn't mind a test of the a rally into the cross, no. Um, but was this saying that uh, this week must not be taken out, or this is going to look very very bad for everything? Remember, Polkadot has big ranges as well. That's 10% from here, but that's what we get for managing a risk here. Um, I'm looking for a bounce actually. I really want it to bounce here. Maybe test the oh actually 6 hour dead close pala yun. Kala ko 4 hour. Nag-play out na. Kung ganon, I still don't want $26 taken out to the downside. Um, Either way, this is very bearish as long as it's below $32. If it breaks there, I'll be looking for a significant upside towards 36, 35 to $37, and that's where we can change the trend. Be looking for a test on the 4 hour 200 SMA. Yeah, somewhere there. I'm still underwater position in this, and that's very big actually. Um, let's see. Um, Immediate resistance $32. Well, same lang sa daily. Sinabi ko na pala. So, link. Let me say sa chain link, grinding out the 4R377, hanging on the lows, immediate resistance at 35. Again, this is very weak. Downtrend, no? This is because of the weakness in Bitcoin, actually. So, what can we say here? $30 must hold, or this is going to look very bad to Chainlink. If $30 does at all, I'll be looking for a test on the lows of $24 actually. Yeah, $24, and it can get wiki 22. I do not like catching the knives there anymore. um, Looks like it's overstayed its welcome. So be careful on this. I think it's being affected by the weakness in DeFi as well. But if it breaks $35, then we can look a move back to 40. So yeah, that's the ranges. Um, so overall, weakness, more bias to the downside to short-term time frames tayo. Some alts are strong like Cake and Sol. BTC is more neutral, sideways. We're looking at this low time frame. If maybe we can make a higher low again here. Um, we do have a resistance at the first Fibonacci, 51,376, and then we can get our second resistance at 54,000, and then we can see we have mid 55k. Um, yeah, so that's where the resistance is. No, who knows? Maybe we go down further, but for now, we're holding this resistance. I mean support. I'll be 49,300. I'll be looking to lalagyan na lang ako ng alert, no? Just in case that it does not hold. I'll be looking for a retest to 48k. But over on the macro, nothing has changed. Bitcoin is still in a long-term bull market. at least until 30K is taken out. I won't change my mind on that. So, yeah, that's it for now. Bye.